Hello, explorers! Have you ever wondered why a dog barks, a bird flies, and why you look like you? Today, we are going to answer a super cool question. Do animals have DNA? Let's find out. Imagine a giant recipe book inside your body. It tells your body exactly how to grow and what to look like. It is the secret code that makes you, you. So, do animals have this secret recipe too? The answer is a big yes. Every single animal on Earth, from the tiniest ant to the biggest whale, has DNA inside them just like you do. Animal DNA is like a special instruction manual. It tells a giraffe to grow a super long neck and a turtle to grow a hard shell. Without DNA, animals wouldn't have their amazing shapes or colors. Here is a super fun fact. Did you know you share a lot of DNA with animals? You and a chimpanzee share almost the exact same recipe. We are like distant cousins in the animal kingdom. It gets even sillier. You even share a little bit of DNA with a tiny fruit fly and even a banana. It proves that all living things are connected by this magical building code. DNA is amazing because it makes the world colorful and different. Even though we all have DNA, the tiny changes in the code make every single animal special and unique. So next time you see a puppy or a butterfly, remember, you both have the same secret ingredient inside, called DNA. Keep exploring and asking big questions. See you next time.